In this video, I'd like to talk about how I think through Codewars challenges. Specifically, this is the Codewars Kata counting sheep. I've actually already solved this on my channel, but I'm going to try to give a little more insight into my thought process on this video. So the first thing I do before clicking train is I read the description in full. Consider an array list of sheep where some sheep may be missing from their place. We need a function that counts the number of sheep present in the array. True means present. For example, true, 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 false, and I won't read them all out even though I said I'd read the whole description. But yeah, the correct answer would be 17. If we counted the trues in here, I'll just believe that it's 17. Hint, don't to check for bad values like null undefined. So now I can go in here, click train or train again, since that's what it is for me. And so how do I think about this one? I think about the data structures. I have in Python here a list, and data types are true, and we want to know how many are true. So one aspect of this will be a for loop for something in sheep. I know I want to take sheep and break it out into individual items, and let's call this a sheep in sheep. Now what? We need to think about whether or not there's a sheep here. And it said that true means present. So we can write a comparison statement here and say if a sheep equals true, what do we do? Well, we need another piece of data to keep track of the number of sheep. So I'm going to call this number of sheep. And you know what? This is kind of small. Let's make this bigger. That looks better. Number of sheep, it'll start at 0. Now, if a sheep equal true, number of sheep plus equal 1. We'll use the shortcut syntax that says number of sheep equals number of sheep plus 1. Finally, we return number of sheep because in Codewars, the solution checker is expecting us to return something from the function, so we can return the number of sheep. That's how I think through it. And now let's check this last part. Don't forget to check for bad values like null undefined. Well, have we done that? We actually have taken care of that, because if a sheep is anything other than true, then this one won't fire. So Python kind of takes care of that for us in this comparison statement. Now let's test that. Passed and attempt. Passed. Okay, hopefully me slowing down and taking the time to explain through my thinking process was helpful there. If it was, please say so in the comments, and I'll make some more videos along these lines. Thanks for watching.